simple way to use ChatGPT more effectively is to really play around with it, and you don't really need a lot of lecture to how to use the tool. So you gotta like play around, like jump into the ChatGPT and play around with that's really the best way to use and to learn how to use the tool effectively. So it's, of course, with the physical stuff, you can just do those stuff, it might hurt you, but over here you have the advantage of doing whatever the mistake you can make on ChatGPT, with the prompt, particularly with asking questions, and to play around with it. And this is the only way to learn computer better. That's what really I found out over the years of learning softwares, creating projects, editing, and creating videos. So it's basically how much time you put in to make mistakes and experiment, because there's no kind of loss over here. You just play around with it. It's software, and it costs you only the subscription. Even if not, it's free. It'll only cost your time, but it'll not be a waste of time. It'll be sort of figuring out things, that how things go out. Now, as a little educator, I learn most softwares this way, so I really don't hire somebody or go to somebody to learn software. It's more like a putting in the effort, but I do learn the hard way. This will be the hard way. Now, the easy way would be, of course, to get trained and then to use and get your things done. That is like save the time, save the effort. But on my side of how I learn things will be completely different. I have to put and invest dozens of times in order to learn the software. But now, since I'm here, you just know, like, there's a hard way and easy way. So we will figure it out on how to use the tool much better in ChatGPT or any like AI prompt.